Welcome back, Flare community. Today it is just a very quick video, more of an update on some breaking news. If you're not on X, maybe you missed it, but there are some exciting things coming next week. Yes, here we are on X, and as you can see, Hugo Filion, the CEO of Flare Labs and the co-founder of the Flare Network, shared this little screenshot here talking about the latest transaction, displaying all mints and redeems within the last 7 days. This is an explorer where you can see, or an interface, see that F Assets is actively launched on the Songbird network. If we go back here and go to a previous tweet, what makes this more exciting is that Hugo shared this once again and said, just a few test transactions before we open the system up sometime next week. Yes, F Assets are coming to the Songbird network next week. Highly anticipated, and I'm pretty excited about this. I'm sure you are too. Let the people know about it. And Hugo did actually mention before that in about 6 weeks after this launch on the Songbird network, there is the potential, providing nothing goes wrong, that it will launch on the Flare network too. We can go over to this particular website. This is the Flare Systems Explorer, and you can actually see these transactions chugging away here. These are definitely relating to F Assets because these are attestation requests for the XRP ledger. So Songbird is going to have F Assets next week. Very exciting stuff, and it's starting with XRP. That's the video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And until next time, I'm out.
Mission Control, we have liftoff.